If you see me happy, leave me alone. Yes.
Sarah and Ronaldinho. Say hi, guys. Them tired of me, but them lucky. We have a go on with ourselves. What is fun? He's a man here now. Can't talk to me now. Girl a ninja. Say, Alec XX large gal Tonight I'm at Capital Karts. Near my son Ronaldinho, his girlfriend Sarah, my niece Janae, and her lovely husband is coming. Yes, you're gonna meet Janae and Dene. Wanna hear that? Janae and Dene. Same son. Sarah and Ronaldinho. Sarah and Ronaldinho. Say hi, guys. Them tired of me, but them lucky. This is a lovely lady at Capital Karts, and she's gonna help me today. So she's booking us in. Take a good look. Oh, the girl look. See, lovely smile. So people, run, come down at Capital Karts. It's a lovely place. Free advertisement right here and then. I can't stay there laugh.
Love it.
Exactly.
Right, have you guys did it before?
So if we create our profile right here. So now you sure type for me.
Okay, sorry.
Christopher over the sun.
I didn't have from a friend.
Guys,
See.
welcome Jacob. Welcome. So we have to buy rent the house? No. So why? Oh, on the right to buy it.
I just want to buy a pencil.
Alicia. We have to put on some good things now. We have to go on with ourselves. What is fun? He's a man here now. Can't talk to me now. Oh, this one now. Girl is a ninja. Yeah? Girl a ninja. I'm gonna put on this one. It's more soft.
Oh. No, say when you put the gloves on first and then put it on.
No. Yeah,
Okay, feel good, okay.
Girl, need to know. Girl, that's a rubbish bin.
Let me take this away. Come. I have it. Except for that. The rest
I'm
are-
feeling like a gangster.
Sarah, should I do the thing? I can't see my ear on this need for center, Sarah.
Kick it.
And then you win.
Okay.
And we have ourselves a winner.
Here we have the lovely couple, Dene and Janae. Yes, people, I said it right. Their names are similar and sound alike, Dene and Janae. My blessing to these two, and I wish them nothing but the best in life. May God continue to bless and keep them together in love, peace, and unity. They organized this night out for Ronaldinho as a birthday gift. Thank you, Danae and Janae. Watch these two in the background, Ronaldinho and Sarah, messing around. Now, are they saying who's gonna win and who's gonna lose? Take a good look, my love. A one winner inside here, and it's Aleciachristopher. I think I look beautiful in this ninja headwear. Yes, adapt me I call it ninja headwear. It looks so nice. It's very loud inside here, so that's the reason why I'm doing the voice over. And the winner is Aleciachristopher, #1 champion.
So the whole of them dead, you know. Be a loss over there, so, you know. Put on helmet and thing, you know. Dead, them dead, you know. Be a loss. #1 champion. All of them dead. See them? And I lost them. Sarah. it, I never want.
Yes. Sarah editor go fit. No, Sarah, them know the size. Them little bit. You see them two pussy one there, them pair them one a helmet. Them pair them one a helmet. Them safe. Them dead enough. All of them dead. A first girl come. See my son a put on him helmet, him come last. Dead. Sarah. Dead. No, it's not hurt her. Dead. Here dead people in here, son. Funeral. You want to fix mine? I don't know how. Oh, then I'll go fix it. What's the one? Finish. You finish? Yeah. Oh, okay.
I've been here since 9.
Oh. Wow. I love the fact that I'm fully dressed as a racing girl, my love. In the full outfit and all these things. Look how me I carry on. I go and like me as some big bad driver. Stay tuned and you guys will see the result. Cause you know it's a girl I go on with the most. And I say people dead. And she just a go on and a carry on. Take a good look at the result up there. Stay tuned. Make sure to sit back and relax. Cause the result is shocking. They make me start first. But some apparent reason. I don't know what happened, my love. But something happened.
Girl got the most talk, you know. And they make the girl go first. And guess what the girl come? Last. After she has the people dead, she come last. Thanks for watching this video. So bye for now. See you another time. Bye guys. The Anna hurt me.